Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading Every Day. Today we have two books for you, beachside, yes. And the first one is Beach Day, Clifford's Puppy Days, and this is a scholastic book. And the second one we have for you is Beach Party by Harriet Seifert and Sims Tabak. And they are all having to do with the beach team and our boy Clifford. So I'm going to try to see if I can read them to you with Clifford in hand. I may have to put him down, but just in case, I wanted you to be able to see him today. The first one is Beach Day, Clifford's Puppy Days. And this is the inside. And here we go. It's a beautiful summer day. Wake up, Clifford, Emily Elizabeth said. We're going someplace fun today to meet Nina and George. Someplace fun? Where could they be going? The dog park? The deli? The zoo? Clifford couldn't wait to find out. While Emily Elizabeth and Clifford had breakfast, Mr. and Mrs. Howard packed a picnic basket and a big bag. We must be going someplace far away, thought Clifford, but why was everyone dressed so funny? Soon they were on their way out of the city. Mrs. Howard said, does the sea air smell wonderful? Emily Elizabeth held on to Clifford while he stuck his nose out the window. It smelled salty and a little fishy outside. Maybe they were going to the deli. Before long, they arrived. Clifford couldn't see anything, but he heard a strange new sound. It was a loud whoosh that kept stopping and starting, and starting and stopping. What could it be? The wind? A train? I think you're hearing the same thing, right? Starting, stopping, whooshing. We're here, Emily Elizabeth cried. Where? Clifford wondered. He started running to follow Emily Elizabeth, but something was wrong. He wasn't getting anywhere. The ground was too soft. Emily Elizabeth laughed and scooped him up. Need a hand? She said. The Howards set up an umbrella and chairs on the sand. Mr. Howard picked up his book and smiled. Perfect, he sighed. Perfect, but Clifford always thought the chair in the living room was the perfect place to read. Oh, hold on. George and Nina should be here soon. Emily Elizabeth said, let's build a sandcastle while we wait. You can help me dig. Digging? Now that was something Clifford did know about. Suddenly, he felt something pinching his nose. Little Red, meet Big Red, Norville said. You never know what you might dig up around here. Maybe buried treasure. Buried treasure? Like bones, Clifford wondered. Clifford loved playing in the sandcastle that Emily Elizabeth built. When George came, he ran to show it to him. But when they got to where it was, it had disappeared. Where did it go? Clifford asked. A wave must have washed it away, George replied. Just then, another wave came and tickled Clifford's toes. He looked down, but it was gone. Then a second later, it was back. Don't worry about the waves, Little Red, said Norval. It's just water that likes to play games. It's chase and tickle you. It'll chase and tickle you. Some people even say it dances. Dancing water? But there wasn't any music. Clifford was more confused than ever. Come on, let's go swimming, Emily said. She picked up Clifford and took him out onto the waves. He had a great time splashing and swimming with George and the girls. Emily Elizabeth wrapped Clifford in a towel and snuggled him in her lap. Don't you just love the beach, Clifford? She said. So that was it. This was the beach. The waves, the sand, the smells, even the crab. He did love it. Yes, he did. But then again, anywhere Emily Elizabeth was, Clifford was sure to love. And that's the end of Beach Day, Clifford's Puppy Days. And that's this one. We'll stick this one right here. And we'll go for our second one, Beach Party by Harriet Zifford and Sims Hayback. This is a board book, boys and girls. All right. What kind of walking can you do today? What kind of walking can you do today? Can you scoot like a crab, bend like a starfish, fly like a seagull, looking for a fish? Jump like a tortoise, slither like an eel, dash like an alligator, heading for a meal? Can you walk like a penguin, flip, flop, 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 flip, flop, slide like a slithery seal, slip, slap, slip, slap? Can you dance like a lobster, turkey trek, twist like an octopus, taking a step? We're heading for a swim on this warm and sunny day. Won't you walk along with us in your very own way? Now it's your turn to twist, bend, jump, slide, fly. So good? Walk, slither, dash, trek, dance, scoot, and splash. So good, we get to do it twice, boys and girls. You ready? What kind of walking can you do today? Can you scoot like a crab, bend like a starfish, fly like a seagull, looking for a fish? Fly like a seagull, looking for a fish? Jump like a porpoise, slither like an eel, dash like an alligator, heading for a meal? Can you walk like a penguin, flip, flap, flap? Slide like a slithery seal, slip, slap, slap? Can you dance like a lobster, turtle track, twist like an octopus taking a step? We're heading for a swim on this warm and sunny day. Won't you walk along with us in your very own way? That's my favorite page. Now, it's your turn to twist and bend, jump and slide and fly. And walk and slither and dash and trek and dance and scoot and splash. The end, boys and girls, of 2 books. Beach Day with Clifford's Puppy Days and Beach Party. Now, boys and girls, you know that I do not own the rights to these books. I just love storytelling magic and sharing stories with you that I know you will absolutely love, that bring joy and magic to your everyday. Today's magic is we are at the beach on one of the warmest days that we've gotten so far in March, and I wanted to share this day with you. Now, this guy, he's definitely not used to being at the beach. Why? Let's show him what we do when we come to the beach. You ready? Here we go. We're gonna turn it around. Turn it around. And we're gonna say, it's Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, better off reading every day. Such a pleasure to come to you on such a beautiful day. And we are gonna do what we do best, which is head out of here and find some more books to read to you tomorrow. So bye, boys and girls. Let's go, Clifford.